the bottle down and before touch the bottom of the glass, pushes up slightly. When the bottle pushes up slightly, it creates a vacuum inside the bottle and air pressure drops inside the bottle. So, water moves inside to replace the vacuum and water comes out freely through the straw. Salt reduces the freezing point of water to below 0 degrees Celsius. When the ice comes into contact with salt, it melts a thin layer of the ice cube, and then the area around the salt freezes water to the ice and sticks to the string. The air pressure of a balloon is higher than the air pressure of its surrounding. When we inflate a needle into a balloon, all the air tries to come out with great force from the small hole and the small hole expands rapidly. For this reason, surface tension exceeds its level and it bursts. But if we add an adhesive tape into the balloon, it increases the strength of the material and prevents the hole from growing. That's why the balloon is not bursting.